Hi again, it's me, Jamie Slater, your leading Harcourts agent in the Wairarapa. Today I'm here at this brand new home situated at number 1 Prenterville Lane in Greytown. Come and have a look with me. Thoughtfully set on a corner 810 square metre lot, the views of the Tararua Ranges are breathtaking. The interior is decorated tastefully throughout with neutral tones and luxurious window treatments. The property oozes quality and class, and with this high-end kitchen, it's going to be the envy of all your friends and family. The kitchen is perfect for entertaining and flows between the two spacious light-filled living areas. Who wouldn't want to wake up in the morning in this lovely light-filled master bedroom with designer ensuite and large walk-in closet? There are a further 2 light-filled spacious double bedrooms which share a stunning high-end family bathroom. The home is extremely well equipped for heating and cooling, is fully insulated and double glazed with internal access double garaging with ample built-in storage and comes with a Master Builder's 10-year warranty. No expense has been spared on this property with hardwood floors and luxurious carpet throughout. This beautiful property will be ready to move into in the next few weeks with just the minor touches needed for the outside landscaping. It really is my pleasure to sell this beautiful home. It's finished to perfection and just ready for you to come and enjoy. So don't delay, call me Jamie Slater on 0800 33 22 66 for your private appointment to view.